Okay. Hello, good morning, Mr. Hussein. I hope you are doing well. Before we start, I just want to confirm that we are all on the same page regarding the agenda for today's meeting.
Good morning, Manu. Yes, I have reviewed the agenda and I'm ready to dive in.
Excellent. Let's get started then. To begin, I'd like to briefly introduce ourselves to the record.
Sure, I'm Hussein Abdullah and I'm the lecturer of this presentation session.
Thanks, Mr. Hussein. Now, as a presenter, may I begin?
Sure, let's go.
Okay, so in this occasion, I would like to bring this Genshin Impact application. So why I choose Genshin Impact for this project because it is very popular among the youngster in this today development of the technology. The eight golden rules. This session covers eight golden rules that are applicable in this application. These principles are derived from my own experience and internet review, also from some forum. Schneiderman's eight golden rules also rules of interface design provide a framework of evaluating the usability of this application. Analyzing the Genshin Impact application using these rules, we can consider the following principle. The first one is type for consistency principle. Consistency can be achieved through elements such as fonts, color, shape, and position being consistently in the same in all menus and screen across the categories for a particular software. In the case Genshin Impact, we can observe the consistency in the placement of the navigation bar. This is the placement of the navigation menu. As you can see, there's like so we can recognize the what is behind the menu of this feature. Mihoyo also designed the interface interaction icons in such a way so we can easily understand the purpose of each icons. The navigation menu that can access everything is also important in this scenario. Okay. The next is enable frequent user to use shortcuts. With increased feature and updates, come the demand for quicker method of completing tasks or exploring the map. The ability to give players uncomplicated experience of doing something in game is very crucial for this type of ongoing game. A lot of AAA games does not giving proper instruction for its player for doing stuff. This is the progress bar. This progress navigation is for us to understand the progress of our recent quest. And also there is information displayed for us to carry out the quest. This is the progress bar, as you can see. This what is being what we are doing. The next is instruction pointer. As you can see, there's a red indicator that's always that's how the destination that we are directed to. The third is offer informative feedback. Mihoyo provides visual and audio feedback to inform players about in-game events, such as damage taken or objective complete. Elemental information that affecting the character and elemental reaction that occur. This feedback enhances the user experience by keeping the players informed and engaged. And also response for non-player or NPC that we interacted with. This is the elemental reaction are triggered by applying certain combination of elemental effects on the target be it enemies, players, or object. The game features damage indicator that provide visual feedback to players regarding to damage dealt during the combat. This is the red indicators also shows us the damage that is our player taken and also the indicator of elemental that our character is dealing with. There is also interaction with NPC as we can see if we press the NPC's name, just press F. then there will be a conversation that will occur with our character. Okay, next. The design dialogues to yield closure. Dialogue and prompts in Genshin Impact are designed to provide a sense of closure to users, allowing them to make informed decisions during gameplay. This contributes to a more intuitive and satisfying user experience. Okay, this is the scenario of the quest. If you can see, there's the three forum that if we choose the different different scenario, there will be we will be lead into that scenario. If we choose the different scenario, also we can will lead into that scenario. Okay, next. The next is offer simple error handling. In Genshin Impact, the application incorporates error handling throughout the message and the indicators, helping players avoid accidental or irreversible actions. This aligns with the principle of preventing errors, enhancing the overall usability of the game. The game's approach to error preventing and handling can be further expanded as follows. This is the yeah, this is when the system detect the error in the code, the team will be handling this and they will send the message to our gameplay message system and we can know what was happening with the bug. There is also a early warning when we playing the game. The start will show this warning read before playing. This is the instruction for our players. This is like the developer update. So we can see the what will happen and this is will very helpful for new players as well. The sixth one is permit design reversal of action. While the specific context may hardly having a visual indicators and pointers aids players in making informed decision about their action. The ability to easily follow the skills supports players in navigating the game world and preserving any united actions. In MiHoYo, the game designer recognized the dynamic of nature player interaction within the fast and immersive game world. To align with the principle, permit is a universal and actions. The interface incorporates with visual indicators and pointers that serve as navigational aids and decision making tools. This is the visual indicators of the navigation. As you can see, there's a minimap. This minimap feature and some option briefly anxiety since the user knows the errors can be unknown. It does encourage the exploration of unfamiliar option and condition. The next is from the fixture. We can know that some places are dangerous because of the danger indicator. Okay, next. This is the picture of the map that will we can see there's the name of the region that we see and there's also in the middle there's like a different layer. This is a upper ground map, and if we choose the downside, we will go to the map will show the underground level. The seventh is support internal locus of control. Genshin Impact empowers players by allowing them to make meaningful decisions in character progression, team composition, and exploration, supporting an internal locus of control. YoYo is giving the full control of and freedom to the users so that they can feel that they are in control of the system themselves. Giving them some form of free will helps to reassure the users. This is the theme that we can choose the different elemental and combine that elemental and especially every character have a special ability that we can like combine them all. There's also exploration wide. As we can see in the map, there is acceleration progress. Okay, next. The last one is reduce short-term memory load. Reducing short-term memory load in Genshin Impact interface can be achieved by implementing clearer visual cues and better organization of information, particularly in complex menus and inventory management. According to the Schneiderman, a golden rules, the interface design, this can be accomplished by designing the screens where options are very visible, using pull-down menus and employing icons to minimize the user's memory load. This is the picture of the inventory. As you can see, it is a very simple and very understandable. We can see everything in there. Like is everything is in there. There is also a consistency iconography, utilizing consistent and meaningful icons throughout the interface to aid in quick recognition and understanding the various in-game elements. In conclusion, while Genshin Impact demonstrates strengths and adhering to some of Snyder's main golden rules of interface design, there are areas such as of error handling and consistency where further improvement could enhance the overall user of experience. So trust me, bro. Okay, that's all. Terima kasih. What do you think, Mr. Hussein?
Okay, then thanks for the presentation, Pandu. You have done it well in this course, and I think your presentation is more than enough to pass in this class.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Hussein. Have good
Sure,
day.
Pandu. Yes, sure, Pandu, anytime. Have a good day
Thanks.
too.
Bye bye.